The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Happy September 1st, fellas. Guys, today is Thursday. First day of the last month of the quarter. Guys, good morning. Tim, Sam, Albert, Dennis, Tom, Scott. Thank you, Scott. Leo, did I? No, for the afternoon session, I have not sent an invoice yet. I'll do that tomorrow. That's right. Good morning and good riddance to August. It is fall in the South, at least in the mornings. It's beautiful here now. Guys, good morning. Decent trade again yesterday. Although, again, low volume. Dijan, good morning. Again, a low volume, 3 or 4 cracks at areas to finally break, and we finally broke in the afternoon. And then last night, we just had a fairly precipitous sell, which was interesting. They have since bought back virtually, in fact, they bought back everything they sold last night. Good morning, Nick. At one point, I know the NASDAQ was a negative 12 or 13, 1,400 contract negative delta. We are now positive 800 contracts. The schizophrenia still reigns. If you guys have been running the bots this morning, my bots are up $780 at the moment. I do not think that we do have some news this morning. And there's a natural gas trade. Let's see here. Today is Thursday. Obviously, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. 10 o'clock ISM. In any event, tomorrow's non-farm payroll. That'll be a market mover for sure. We'll see what we get. Good morning, Chris. Guys, a couple of you, Dijan and Chris as well. I've sent everybody that's in the next order flow class an email a couple of days ago with the link to register. Please register for that class. If you did not get the email, please email me back and say, hey, I didn't get it. All right. I've got about 5 guys in the class that have not registered yet, and I want to make sure that everybody has the link and is registered for Tuesday. Bear with me 1 second, guys. It did not. If you thought you registered, Chris, it did not register. In any event, guys, good morning. Let me quickly read. Let me shut this off first. Get rid of Skype. Last thing I need is a major drain on. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, let's. Below 186, we get 170. Excuse me. Heavy volume, 153,000 contracts. Heavy volume in the ES as well, 260,000. Gold's at the low of the day, going to probably test that 1700 level. I don't sell bottoms. Heavy volume in gold. Crude sitting on VWAP. I think crude comes down to 88.06. Target 1, maybe 7. Heavy volume on crude as well. There's your target 1. It's just futzing around in here. It's trading up into a rising 68. If you sold 02, 03, you can put your stop at 07. 4-handle stop, basically. I'm not giving it any more than that. Call it 08. Here comes your first target on ZB. ZB. We are currently at 08. Target 1 is 05. Trade them as you see fit. You're up $1,000 on 3 contracts. Trade them as you see fit. Anybody else other than Ray in ZB short? Okay, Jacques. We're sitting on a pivot here at 7. If this breaks, they get, I mean, this comes down 132.25. This gets completely blown up. If you guys want to take some risk off here, you can at this pivot. This is going nowhere. This may go to 11, but it's not going far. I have no interest in longs. This should come down to 175, 176. All right. It's coming. It's through the target one hit and filled at 134.05 on ZB. 14 tick trade, fellas. 14 ticks on the first target. You can put your stop at break even and leave it for the day. Yeah, just leave it. If it takes you out at even, it does. Yeah, you dog. Stack. Still think this is coming down. I don't think it's going anywhere. And now it comes down. 3 ticks through the stop. Morning, Greg. We just had a really nice bond short. Yeah, I'm short. We had a bond short for 14 ticks first target. Were you short NASDAQ? $83.25. Short natural gas at 60. Oh, hell. I wasn't watching. Now NASDAQ wants to come to the target. First target on the bot. That was my first target, 91 on NASDAQ. 91. There it is. Now it hits first target. When 3 ticks through the stop. Next target down should be 70. NASDAQ on the bot, targets 1 and 2 filled. Bot is up 13.20. Got to get through this 80 swing, and this thing gets right down to VWAP quickly through 80. News in 34 seconds. I don't think jobless claims is going to be. We're down to 150 net buyers. $70 to 77 is going to offer some support on NASDAQ. Jobless claims are below expected. We hit 81 and stopped on a dime. With buyers. We could pop back up to 234. We're going to 234, it looks like, on the NASDAQ. Look at this horse shit. Yeah, we got to get below 75 on the NASDAQ, and it gets cranked below 75. Another short on the NASDAQ bot. Target 1 filled. Below 75, the NASDAQ gets hit hard on the hourly. Really below 67, it gets pummeled. Target 2 hit. Here's the hourly. This is what has to break right here, 75. The 26 period on the cloud. 75, we could work all the way back down to that 127. All 3 targets hit on the bot. We got my second target. Got to get below this swing here at 67. Bot's up $2,000 now. How about them bonds, baby? Still going. Still going. That was my second target. Next target down is 59.60. Just under the point of control. Anybody still short NASDAQ? Anybody short NASDAQ? Okay, guys. I'm holding one. Sitting on support here at VWAP. I'd really like to see the next candle in 44 seconds form below that swing. Guys, NASDAQ can come down to 111. 111. Bonds are now up almost 20 ticks on the runner. 20 ticks. Here it comes, guys. 111 is your target. 59.60 is the next target down. ES. So we're up 20 ticks on the runner on ZB. I locked in 5. NASDAQ, we got a shot of breaking 12,000 today. Any up move at the open is getting sold. Any up move. Ten years back, they just say above 3.5%. Guys, I'm going to move stop down to 12 on ZB. 12. Lock in 7. I won't even look at it now the rest of the day. Copper is going to break down. Guys, I'm just going to get coffee. I'll be 1 minute. First target was hit, 88.06. Okay. Guys, we're banging them out again. I had a short up higher, Greg, with an 88.06 target. It was 35. 74. Okay. Guys, put your stop on crude at 88.12. So you're locking ticks in, 6 ticks above the first target, and just hold it. Yes, Patrick. What's your number, Greg? Yeah, below 73, it gets, I mean, that 73, 74, it gets crunked. Little bit of support at 74. $87.09 is where crude can come, fellas. $87.09. Greg, what's your stop? 88.33? 45? If crude can get through the low of the day at 17, it gets blown up. You can see 85 bucks. There's target one. I got a 69, Phil. A little bit of support here at 70. Okay. Do. Yes, guys should come down to 20. What do you mean, no charts? What does that mean, Sally? All right, JC. See you on Tuesday. Tomorrow, or unless you're not in tomorrow. See you tomorrow. All right, there's a Nasdaq bot trade. Long. Nasdaq failed at 200. Crude can go back to 32. All right, Nasdaq. Going to be out on the Nasdaq here, guys. It's last trade before 9:30. My bots are off. Whatever this does, it does. That should start the move again. Spots are up 925. NASDAQ sitting on a little bit of support here with a small positive delta of 40 contracts. Looks like we're going to get a sell right on the open. Probably down to 160. Excuse me. Any questions before we go? I'll be on mute for a couple minutes. Guys, as a reminder, today is September 1st. Some of you have invoices due today. Will you please take care of them? Yes, chunking it around. Just to reiterate, ES right up into the moving average and faded. Coming down, fellas, coming down. We're holding the point of control, but we're going to sell down, I think. Just sit tight. Sellers. ES is rolling over. Short ES, 30, 31. Target number one on the ES, guys, is going to be 27, 27, 27 on the ES. Come on, you dog. 3 more ticks. 2 more. Oh, 1 tick. Are you kidding me? Got 27 quarter. Don't do that. Come on, 27. NASDAQ, I'm looking to short on pullback here. Short NASDAQ. Target is 114. All right, we got a long on the crude bot. Well, let me get my bots on. Forgot to do that. $27 quarter. What a dog. Missed by a tick. Come on. 27 is the target on the ES. NASDAQ is short, guys. 136, target 1. Final target 114. 136 and 114. 136 and 114. Come on, you dog. There it goes. All right, target 1 hit on ES from 31 to 27, free trade. Come on, NASDAQ, 136. Got the 40. Break even on the ES. Break even. And it's a free trade. Next level is 20 on the ES. Next level is 20 from 31. Here comes NASDAQ, 136. Patience, fellas, 136. Come on. No buyers, but small sellers. Now small buyers. Yeah. Here we go again with this NASDAQ. Russell sold off very nicely. YM sold off. Come on, NASDAQ. ES is coming down beautifully. Your next target on the ES is 20. NASDAQ wants to be an obstinate pain in the keister. Crude is going to break down. Crude is going to break down. Here we go with the chop again. We got the 24. Come on down to 20. All right, NASDAQ's being just an a-hole today again. I can't even turn my NASDAQ bot on. Chart is frozen. All right. We got 140, not 136. That 95 to 200 level is still a problem. Cannot get above 200, I don't think. Crude is coming down. I told you guys, crude was a short. If you guys took crude, copper got hit. Okay, Greg. I think we can get 17. So, all right, guys. Well, I mean, 20 is good enough for me. I'm not getting sucked into any NASDAQ longs. I don't care what, unless it gets above 200, probably 205. Short of that, it's a waste of time. Can't even get above 92, 93. NASDAQ chinking around. Let it chink. See if it goes. You guys should still be short ES with your stop at 31, 30, 31, depending on where you got in with a 20 target. If you bought the SPX puts yesterday, I suggested you can take your profits. They're well into the money. Well into the money. ES is behaving. NASDAQ is not behaving. Under 100 net buyers in the NASDAQ. I don't know how this goes long. $150 net buyers. Just sit tight, guys, on this NASDAQ. We'll find something to trade, but all right, ES has got to 23. 7, 8 handles didn't get to 20. Stop should be break even. Here comes that test again of 93. And then 200 is the next problem. You can try a NASDAQ long at 205. 205 with a 27 target. There's the 205. Push back through 200. 23 target. Come on, 23. Got 18. Come on, Rat Dog. 05 to 18. Still think it can get 23 to 27. There it goes. Got 20. 23 target hit. Target one hit. 05 to 23. Got 24 and change. So you should be out of first target. Q's trying to fill the gap at 99. You should be out at break even on NASDAQ. ES failing 36. I'm watching around 30 for a short on NASDAQ. Here comes manufacturing PMI. Back below 200 or right around that. Here's what I'm looking at, guys, on the NASDAQ. This low volume area up around 30, 27 to 32, if it can get there. Two-tenths higher for on manufacturing PMI. NASDAQ's headed down probably to 65. Short NASDAQ to 65 at 84. 84 to 65. Got to break 84. Or it moves up to 27. Qs and SPYs doing little. There's your short NASDAQ. Come on, you rat dog. 400 sellers in this candle. Come on. $64 target 1. $64 target 1. 65. 65. Okay, so we got the short here. And that's where we should get. And then bounce. Got to come down through VWAP. Come on. You got 10 handles in it. If you want to take some risk off at VWAP, we're down to 200. Right back up. Look at this dog. All right, I finally have my no, I don't. It won't turn on now. Gave us 12 handles. Still think we're coming down to 65. That's where I like the long for the bounce, 65. Here comes my target now. I mean, this is that sloppy movement, guys. Got to 68. Hit my target almost to the tick. Did it get 65? 65 half. Markets are down small, guys. Here we go. Now we got target. I mean, ultimately, guys, we're going to sell. We got the long, we got the short if you were patient with it. NASDAQ, if we break below 113, is going to get slaughtered. $122 is the target on NASDAQ. 122 if you're short still. 122. It's just a pain in the neck trade, guys. 10:30, I'll get an update on volume. All right, now I got my NASDAQ bot on. Man, it took 20 minutes. Love you, Ninja. Love you. Probably chopping around here ahead of non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Soybeans might be a short at 14.11. Silver looks like it wants to get a bid. So does gold. Natty gas really doing nothing ahead of inventory. If NASDAQ pushes up here, it goes 182. If you want to take a NASDAQ long to target 182. $77 should get 182. Got buyers, 800 net buyers. Man, they kill this thing at 6 o'clock at night. Ninja Market Analyst about 500. I can tell you. 253 on the NASDAQ and 524 on ES. You got 81. Should get 82, fellas, on this push. There it is, 82. I mean, 81.75. All right. All we're doing is chopping around VWAP, up and down, up and down. That's it. Below VWAP, you can short NASDAQ down to 48. 48, target 1. NASDAQ short to 48, target 1. And then 40 support. There's 48, target 1 hit. Target 1 only, 48. We just cannot get this thing to break in any direction, but I still think we're coming to 119. By a tick. Missed that by a tick and got that by a tick. This is just really crap. Right back up, probably into that 80 to 85. What? There's 80. Again. 83. There's 85. We could push back up to 21 from here. Yep. Back above 200, we're going 21. Guys, I mean, this is really, really tough trading. You got to be quick. Directionally, we're shorts, but I suspect we're just going to chop around much of the day like yesterday ahead of non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Bond trade is still on, although bouncing. Well, Bruce, it's not got anything to do, it has to do with price action. So first off, as I say repeatedly and have said repeatedly, whenever I get to first target, I go to break even. Always. I don't let a winning trade ever go against me. So when you get first target, you should be at break even. And this market is a very sloppy market. It's not an easy trade. So if anybody is finding, this market to be too technically difficult for them because it's back and forth, don't trade or trade small. If you trade one contract, maybe trade five micros. Look at this crap. We failed 200 again, but we're trying to push through it. I think it fails. ES is failing. Cannot get through 200. Construction spending is a miss. ISM is a miss. I told you directionally we're short with a lot of back and forth. If you guys just, I don't know who's trading a $100,000 account or who's trading a funded account, right? If you can hold the shorts, hold the shorts. We're coming down to 118. I'm telling you we are. It could take 3 hours. I don't know. But we're coming down. That 200 is a freaking wall. We cannot. Tesla 270 puts you can buy. Tesla 270 puts. If we break down below 40, it's done. But look, we've pulled, this will be meaningless to you guys that haven't gone through class. We've pulled everything up, which means we're setting up to roll through. Below 240, this is going to get smashed. We're shorts, guys. Overall, here we go. Here comes my target. I'm lagging. NASDAQ is at 30. NASDAQ is at 30, 31. I'm lagging. ES is breaking down below 20. You can short ES below 15. Yeah, fuck Ninja and NASDAQ. A break of 15, you can buy 3880 SPX puts. 3880 SPX puts. We're going to bounce here And then if we get a break of the day low at 117-ish, this is going to get smoked. Smoked. ES has to break 15. It held 16. It's got to break 15. NASDAQ's 134. 1002. I'm still lagging. We're at 33. Next 10-minute bar. Not for 6 minutes. We're at 127. We're coming into the low of the day, guys. We're going to break it, I'm telling you. Nothing like data lag. Nothing like data lag. God dang, I hate Ninja. Such a garbage platform. Nice job, Keith. Still not caught up. We're at 131. 131. 127. Now my data stopped. And then there we go. We're holding 133. We need a break below 13. If you guys have adequate data. 45. All right, I think I'm back. I'm back. 149, 47. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Below 13, this is, we still didn't break 15 yet. 15 half. Reload historical data, you'll be all right. We just bounced off pivots, hourly pivots. If we break 39.15 ES, See if we can get a push back up to, there it is, 160. Above that, we can get 170. We faded 160. ES is behaving nicely. ES can pop back to 23 to 25. You can short 25 on the ES. NASDAQ, I'll look to short maybe 170 if it, I don't think it can get up there. Right around VWAP. Or a drop below 36 here. Come on. Come on. Target number one, if you sold this area here, target number one is going to be 24. Got to 25. Come on, 24. 24. Jesus, look. Crude just went long on the bot. Come on, 24. Break that little 25. 24. Come on. Holding 25. There it is. 24 hit. 24 hit. Nope. 24 and a quarter. Unbelievable. One tick again. ES is coming down. ES breaks 15. It's a short. ES is short at 15. I rarely sell bottoms. Rarely. Didn't break. Look at this son of a gun. It came to 24 to the tick. Didn't do it. Didn't break. We've got natural gas inventories coming, guys. Sitting right at the break. Came to 24 to the tick. You should be out at even. NASDAQ is going to work down to 17 again. A break of 13 and NASDAQ gets plowed. Plowed. Here comes that 17 again on NASDAQ. If you sold ES, first target is 12. There's your target. Now it's a free trade. This could bounce back up, but it's a free trade. Now we're going to try to trade ES down to and you could buy SPX puts, 38.80 SPX puts for tomorrow. We broke 13. We got to 10. Out here. Anybody take Tesla puts? A break of that day low takes it down to 166. There's the breakdown, guys. We're headed to 87 on NASDAQ. We're going to break 12,100. Let's see what we can. NASDAQ on the hourlies, guys, I think we head down to 11,883. 3880 is your target now on ES, guys. 3880. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. NASDAQ doing its thing. Everybody should be good, guys. I told you directionally we were shorts. You guys having fun yet? $38.80 SPX puts. Anybody buy them? Yeah, well, that may be, Patrick. Go ahead and stand in front of it. We are coming down to 12,030. It's the bottom of the daily. Yeah, exactly. No way. It's the bottom of the daily cloud. That's where we're headed. 12,000 and change. And remember, guys, it's not a one-way ticket to zero, right? Price moves in waves. If you took this break up here at 35 and stayed with it, that's your stop, 35. Let it go. ES is FUBAR. There's nothing to stop it here. Nice job, Keith. RTY is headed to 1790. Sit with it. 1790. ES is breaking out the bottom of the daily cloud. It's sitting on pivots here. Next hour, maybe 11 o'clock, she lets rip. See if we can get a push back to 28. Nope. Crude is close to getting target here. Come on. Let me see where that damn NASDAQ is. Come on, crude. There it is. Target 1 hit and filled. This is the area where if we're going to sell, this is where we should sell. No, we're going to push up higher. We could now push to 50, maybe 38 to 50. Everybody just sit tight. Is everybody good, fellas? Everybody good? NASDAQ has gone small positive delta. Yeah, it is. It's tough trading, guys. This is, you have two choices. You sit withdraw and trade the direction. Let them retrace. Or go fishing. There you go. Crude got all three targets, fellas. Crude got all three targets. Nice push on crude. My NASDAQ bot turned itself off. That's interesting. Yeah, I mean, listen, and I teach scalping in the class, so. NASDAQ could push back to 160. ES is long on the bot. There's target 1. There's target 2. There's that 160. That's as far as we're going, 190. I don't think we can get there. I think we stop here, 180. ES maybe gets to 30 again. Guys, give me 1 minute. All right, guys, I'm back. All 3 targets filled ES spot. Excuse me. We could trade back to 215, but I really need to get cleanly through probably 180. 187 is a problem. We're up to 1,200 net buyers. $175 is a problem and 182 is a problem. plus 61 for natural gas. I do not have settings for copper on the bottom. Spies and Qs can't get anything going. Qs, if they get above 390, 350, you can try a long to 95 for a gap fill. I'm sorry, spies. But we're coming down. We ain't longs. Why does damn NASDAQ can't get up to 172 again? For a long 242. I mean, here's the 15-minute. Damn it. We're shorts. We're shorts. We're coming down into 36 again. We're shorts. Thank you, Greg. I haven't even looked at it. Ooh. Guys, ZB, we were short 19. We're short, guys. NASDAQ down to 36, first target, 37. Coming down here to the 68, 37, 38, target 1, and then 15. What it's holding, you guys that are taking the class, it's holding this buy zone from here. Come on. 137, 138, target 1. And then 115. And then 115. There's target 1, the 68. We'll get a small bounce off that. And then we're coming down to 115. 115 should be next. It's working through the zone in here. Got 124. Come on, 115. Jesus, this low volume bullshit. Now we held the top of this big buy zone in here. Still coming. Down to 220, 30 buyers from over 1,000. So somebody tell me, where's the stop? Where's your stop? Break even, right? We got target 1. Thank you, Kirk. Break even. 1036. Let's just take a look at something. They didn't give me update at 1030. They didn't give me volume yet. We're coming down to 15. I'm telling you we are. Slowly. I don't like that the 68 has gone flat. Stop should be at break even, guys. ES is now holding 39.20. Feel free to take SPX puts profits. Unless you guys want to get aggressive and, 20, 25% is not enough, but I am not an aggressive trader. We're coming to 15, guys. Call it 16. Call it 16. That pink line is where we're coming. Nice job. $1,300 in profits. Nice job. Boom! Target hit again. Target hit again. So we got both targets. Everybody happy? And now we can sell off into hell and back. Everybody good? If you guys have some patience, you'll get Targets. Here comes the new low of the day coming. We're pulling the 95 down. All right, guys. Nice job, Frank. Target 1 filled ES. We're breaking back below 50. I'm telling you guys, we're coming down to 38.95 next and 38.80. It's a beautiful trade. Watch for my favorite trade. I'll move back up through the 95. We're pulling everything down. We'll get a bounce. $65. There's the move back above the 95. Probably trade back up to 15. A bounce to 15 and then a failure somewhere between there, and it's got to work through this seller imbalance now. I'm not looking to take counter trend trades, guys. Just FYI. I'm not looking to scalp every damn trade here. But it should move back up to 15. As Patrick pointed out a little bit earlier, this down move is not there's heavy volume today, but not heavy sellers. You've only got 300 sellers. So, this thing could set up for a massive rally back up. I still think it comes down to 12,000 first and then ricochets. I'll definitely take a long at the bottom of the daily cloud. Still pulling that 95 lower. We're setting up for a move up. I'm not selling bottoms. So what I want is a reversal back up, just to bounce back up. And then a rollover again. Hourlies are killed. Small time frames are killed. This has nowhere to go but down. Crude is going to short. It just did on the bot. I've got to get a move at least back up to 10. I can't sell bottoms, guys. I'm not a. Anybody take the Tesla puts? New day low on Tesla. We're headed to 166. Anybody take Tesla puts? Those are up 40% now. We hit first target to the tick and didn't fill yet. There's target one on crude. Here comes 65, guys, on NASDAQ. Damn it. Could not get a bounce. Sorry, fellas. I couldn't get a pull back up into that 15 and then a rollover. ES going to put in a new low of the day, 39.85. I love crude bot. Crude and NASDAQ are the two absolute most consistent. $38.95, guys, is where ES is headed now. $38.95. I haven't even looked at gold today. Ooh, we're at 1,700. Psychologically big level. Crude's got further to go. Catch this swing at 87.28 and it's going to blow. Look at this bond trade. Did we murder bonds or what? We murdered bonds. Better than a basis point. Natty Gas is a short at 166. It'll have to break 148. You can sell 166 with a target one at 151. Or you can hold for the break of 148. And Natty, look at this, unfinished auction all the way down at 97.4. NASDAQ hasn't stopped selling. Nothing I can do with it. Oh, well. Second target hit on crude bot. Nice job, Ray. All right, guys, I'm shutting bots down. This is the last bot trade of the day. It's up $2,000. Guys, if you are here on trial, I have 2 trials. Today will be the last day that I send out a daily follow-up email with the room video. I don't send out follow-up on Friday. If you guys haven't seen what you needed to see, you ain't going to see it in a room video or follow-up tomorrow. Look at this NASDAQ, guys. It is just getting 65 is where we're headed next. That green line. Once we lost 200, it was done. If we don't bounce here, it's Tesla's probably headed at 263. All right, we're holding for now. We're holding 65 for the moment. It's only 1,000 net sellers, guys. If you're short ES, 39.80, 38.95 is your next target. 38.95. I mean, NASDAQ can't even find it. It's only 900. Still holding 65, but no bounce. $12,000 even. It's the bottom of the daily cloud. 12,000. If we don't bounce there, I mean, this is going to get nasty for the NASDAQ. We'll test the lows. We're still holding 65, but we're not. 300 buyers in the candle. We've only got 700 net sellers. I mean, this is stupid. We're setting up for a long, guys. We held 65. Look, we held that level. We could bounce all the way back to 127. You've got to hold this level. I'd take a long above 82. It's a counter trend trade. Target one would be 94, and then possibly back up to 143. All right, guys. Come on, get above that 95. Get above 80. There we go. Come on. I took the long at 82. There we go. Target number one is 93. Let me see here. 91. Target number one is 91. $91 target hit. Free trade from here, fellas. Free trade. Anybody have the cackadoons to take the trade? I know what I'm doing. Anybody take the long? Stop is break even. If we push above 106, all right, Albert. You got some cojones. Nice. Nice job, guys. If we get above 109, your target is 140. Targeted, look, we're down to 200 sellers off the bottom. We got to get above 109, and this thing can go back to 140. This could be the trade of the freaking day. Come on, baby. Down to 300 net sellers. All right, you're out of break even, unless you really are intent on holding this trade. Got first target, 10 handles on a counter trend trade. But oftentimes, for you guys that are newer, these will rip. And I'll teach this to you in order flow class. Still like the long. Next level up is 103, which is where I think we go. Excuse me. Let's wait until the next candle. Excuse me. We held my level, 65. Buyers. Again, that 82 level, I still like it. There it is, 82. We need to take that swing at 94. And your target is 97. Target is 97 through that swing. Come on, 300 sellers. Are you kidding me? 300 sellers. There's no way I'm selling this. Now 400 again. Through that swing, it rips. This is fighting to go long, fellas. No stack seller imbalances. Down here, there's a few. You know they're going to burn the shorts at some point today. They're going to burn them. They're going to leave them down here in the dust till tomorrow. Come on, hold this level. Seller's coming in, but small breach of the day low. I'll be long again at 76, 77. Come on. I'll be long 77. Maybe right here, 78. You got a big seller here with 107 contracts got sold here. 273 with 107. Yep, almost top of the hour. This thing is, I mean, we're down 150. ES is hanging in there. They hit him again here, 307 sellers. So we've got to get back up through 61, 62. Let me see where the fudge we come. This may sell straight off to 12,000, where I'll definitely take the long. 12,000, maybe 20. You're welcome, Chris. I'm telling you, at some point today, well, that crude trade is still on the last contract. Bots are off. This is the last trade. Whatever it is, it is. Another great day for the bots. Whoop. We're starting to get some bounces. SPYs have to get over 91. Got to get back through the 95. You see the sellers? We're trying to move higher. These sellers are getting absorbed. Pulling everything lower yet. Resistance is going to be 75. All right, guys. Nice job, $12,000 day. Nice job, Ray. Come on, get yourself above 65 again. So what had been acting as support, we now just failed. $38.95 is your next target on ES. All right, guys, I'm going to close this trade out. Here's your bot total for the day, 25.52.50. I'm going to wrap up the session, guys. Everybody have a decent day. We're way oversold. We're going to get a bounce. Maybe after Europe is gone, but we're going to get a bounce. Watch that 12,000 to 12,020 area for the next, for a bounce. Guys, did everybody make money today? Okay. Nice job, Carl. Thank you, Ozzy. Exceeded the plan. Nice job, guys. All right, fellas. Trials, we'll see you tomorrow for your last day. Once again, for the video, bots closed up 25.52.50. I will see all of you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Be blessed. We have non-farm payrolls tomorrow, so I will not run my bots. I may run them from 6 to 7, but that'll be the end of it. And then we'll do it. I'll start them again after non-farm payroll. All right, major news. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. If anybody needs me, email me. See you guys.